It was a Friday afternoon, and I was getting ready to do a tennis lesson with my juniors, and lo and behold, there it was, a beehive. Well, I wasn't happy about it, and I knew that it needed to be taken care of, so I contacted the school and asked them to take care of it. With the understanding of bees in Arizona, most people in Arizona know that 99% of them are Africanized, which makes them pretty much aggressive. In other words, don't take care of it yourself. Bring in a professional. So when I finally turned up on Sunday, understanding that the school was supposed to remove them, I was surprised to see a guy, being the landscaper for the school, preparing to hose them down, which is a very big mistake. So it was around about this point that I decided to contact a beekeeper and try to find someone that can do it as quickly as possible, because this is a school and this can be very dangerous, particularly when we have kids around making all sorts of noises. And at this point, this prompted me to contact the beekeeper to ask if he could be there soon. And to my surprise, the landscaper asked if using the water would be in fact okay, not really truly believing that the bees would be that aggressive. And this was his response.
5 minutes later.
So the beekeeper turned up sooner than I thought, being only 1 mile away, and he brought this big box ready to give the bees a new home. So I wanted to film this, and when I asked him, "Safe where I'm at? Am I safe here?"
You can be closer.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I will tell you if you can't.
Got it. At this point, I was pretty nervous, and I wasn't sure what I should do, so I stepped back a little bit, and soon you'll realize why.
Crazy. Wow. They are crazy. Wow.